Hello students, in the previous video we have discussed some programs based on BufferedReader, and today we'll discuss some more problems. So here is the third problem. Define a class called Mobike with the following description, in which we will declare the class with having the name Mobike. The class name will be Mobike. Here we have to declare some instance variable. In the previous video I have also given you the description of this program. In this program, here is BNO, that is bike number, PHNO, that is phone number. These two will be of integer type. Name should be of string type. Days will be of integer type. Days will be used to declare number of days the bike is taken on rent. And here is int charge, that is to be used to calculate the charge. Now here are some functions to be created. First is input function that will accept input, that will accept the values for different data members or instance variables, and here is compute function that will calculate the charge. Finally, we have to create a display function to display all the data, but here is the condition that the data should be displayed in this format. Okay, so let us see how to make a program. First of all, import java.io.star class Mobike int bno comma phno comma days and comma charge, string name. I think nothing is left, all the variables have been used, bno, phno, name, days and charge. Okay, now declare input function void input, and along with this function we will have to use throws exception, because input, we are going to take input inside it. Now write input stream reader isr equal to new input stream reader system.in buffered reader br equal to new buffered reader, and inside it pass isr. Okay, now start to take input system.out.print enter bike number. Okay, enter bike number. bno equal to, bno is integer type, so we'll use integer dot parseInt br dot read line. Now in the second we will take input for phone number, enter phone number. The variable will be changed from bno to phno. In third we will take input for name, enter name of the customer, and for name of the customer we have used the variable name, and it is of a string type, so we will not use integer dot parseInt. Now the next is enter number of days, enter number of days, and it is of integer type, so here days will be integer dot parseInt br dot read line. All the variables have been taken as input. Now in the next function void, I think the function name is compute, void compute. Okay, now start computing if in the first condition here is given first 5 days. So if days less than equal to 5, charge equal to, for first 5 days, 500 per day. So the calculation will be days into 500. Okay, it's very simple. For the charge will be as per the days. Else if days less than equal to, the next is next 5 days. So first 5 and next 5, the total 10 days. Days less than equal to 10. All these things have been discussed in class 9. So I'm not wasting much more time on these topics. Charge equal to n. While calculating next 5 days, the charges of first 5 days will remain as in the previous case, means 5 into 500 and plus days minus 5 into 400. Else charge equal to, for the previous first 5 days and the next 5 days will remain same. So 5 into 500 plus 5 into 400 plus you have made the calculation for 10 days, so minus 10 into 200. Finally, you have to print the values void, and the function name is display, void display. All the headings should be in the same line with a space. So for heading, system.out.println bike number, phone number, bike number slash t, phone number slash t, name slash t, number of days slash t. Number of days slash t, and then finally charge. Okay. Charge. In the second line, you have to print the data. So how will you print? System.out.println. For bike number, you have the variable BNO, plus you have to give slash t, that should be written within double quote. Again, plus phone number PHNO, plus slash t, plus name, plus slash t, again plus number of days, variable is days, plus slash t, and again plus charge. That's it. Close. Now create main function. Public static void main string AR throws exception. We can create main function in the same class. Now create the object of mobike obj equal to new mobike obj dot. First function is input, so call input function obj dot input. Second is obj dot compute, and the third function is obj dot display. Okay, the program is complete. Now save the file. mobike.java, and open the command prompt. Javac mobike.java. Here after name, here should be slash t. Program successfully compiled. Now run Java mobike. Enter bike number 5106, phone number 1234567 8, name of the customer Raj Sharma, number of days suppose 12 days. Look here, bike number, phone number, name has been displayed a little bit more. 4900 is the charge. In this way we can do the different things. Okay, so this is one program. Our next program is related with library. You will do this program yourself, same as the mobile program. And in the last, here is employee. Employee, it's also very simple program. Just I am defining, clearing it, making discussion on this program. Define a class employee having the following description. Here data members are instance variables. String name to store, here is string name to store the name. int pan, here is int pan to store personal account number. Format is has been disturbed. Here is the first variable int pan to store personal account number, that is pan number, pan card number. Here is string name to store the name of the customer. Double income tax, income tax is a variable that will be of double type, and here is tax variable that will be of also be of double type. Income tax will store annual taxable income. Annual taxable income means the income on which the tax is to be implemented, and this tax will store the tax to be tax calculated. Okay, so just make the difference between tax income and tax once again. Tax income is the income on which tax is to be implemented and the tax is to be calculated. This is an income, and here is the tax which will store the tax calculated. Now here is input function, calc function, and display function. How the income tax will be calculated? Here is given up to 1 lakh no tax. Okay, from no tax means tax will be 0, and from 1 lakh 1 to 1,50,000, 10% of the income exceeding 1 lakh means 10% of the income exceeding 1 lakh. Suppose your income is 1,20,000, the tax will be calculated only on the income exceeding 1 lakh, that is 20,000. So 10% of 20,000. Okay. So you will subtract this 1 lakh from the tax income, and the same is to be done here in the rest two cases. You will do these programs yourself. Okay, and these are very simple. Just you need a little bit efforts. If you do efforts, you can do better. So this is the simple principle. Without effort you will not get anything. So to do better in the examination, you will have to make the efforts while making the programs. Do not 100% depends on me. We are just guideliners. You will have to do your efforts. So the rest two programs you will do on yourself, and let's discuss some more important topics in the next video. Thank you.